So solve the simultaneous equations. We can see here that they are both linear equations because they're just x or y. There's no x squared or quadratics or anything like that. When you're solving linear simultaneous equations, you've got two options. You can either use the elimination method or the substitution method. It's completely up to you. This video will be going through the substitution method. The substitution method is where we take one of the equations and substitute it into the other one. We can't solve equations unless we only have one letter, which currently is not the case. Can you see how the second equation already has y as the subject? So what it's saying is y is the same thing as x plus 3. So what I'm going to do is take equation 2 and substitute it into equation 1. That means that wherever I see a y in equation 1, I'm going to replace that with the whole of x plus 3 because it's the same thing. So instead of x plus y is minus 1, I get x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now do you see how I've got an equation with just x in it, so I can actually go ahead and solve this. Obviously if I add x and x I get 2x, plus 3 is minus 1, and then I rearrange it, take away 3 is minus 4, and then divide by 2, x is minus 2. Now that I've got the first part, the second part of this method is exactly the same as the second part of the elimination method. Once you've got one value, you just look at both equations and you choose which one you would like to substitute x into. Normally, I would choose the one where you have it as one of the letters of the subject. So equation 2 I'm going to choose. So I've got y equals, instead of x, it's now minus 2 plus 3. See how I don't even need to rearrange this? It's already y equals. I just need to add. So I get y is 1. And I've solved it. Those are the answers. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.